Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by lining up ingredients and tools so the cook can move efficiently. Use 200 g vermicelli, 500 ml milk, 50 g sugar, and 2 eggs. Soak the vermicelli in warm water for 10 minutes to loosen strands, then drain lightly. Preheat a 1.5-liter saucepan and melt 1 tablespoon butter before toasting. Have a whisk, measuring spoons, and a heat-proof bowl ready. Measure 1 tsp vanilla and set aside any optional toppings like chopped nuts or cinnamon, about 1 tsp each. Begin cooking by toasting the prepared vermicelli to develop a nutty flavor and prevent sogginess. Toast soaked vermicelli in the buttered pan for 3-4 minutes until lightly golden, stirring constantly to avoid scorching. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 50 g sugar and 1 tsp vanilla until smooth and slightly pale. Gradually add 500 ml milk while stirring to avoid lumps. Pour slowly and keep the heat medium-low. Combine the milk mixture with the toasted vermicelli and bring to a gentle simmer. Control the heat and thicken the pudding carefully to achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Temper the egg mix by adding a ladle of hot milk first, then combine fully into the saucepan to prevent curdling. Simmer pudding for 8-10 minutes until thickened to coat a spoon, stirring frequently. If too thick, add up to 50 ml extra milk. Remove from heat and stir in 1 tablespoon butter for gloss, then transfer to a shallow dish. Chill for at least 2 hours and serve warm or refrigerated, garnished with cinnamon or chopped nuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.